Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video, we'll be covering the syllabus of the Cisco CCNP Security Implementing Cisco Secure Mobility Solutions or SIMOS exam. This exam is designed to assess a candidate's ability to implement secure mobility solutions on Cisco ASA and iOS platforms. The SIMOS exam is divided into 4 domains, each carrying a different weightage. The domains are: AnyConnect Remote Access VPN with 33% weightage, Site-to-Site VPN solutions on Cisco iOS and Cisco ASA with 32% weightage, Endpoint Security and Hardware and Software with 21% weightage, and Clientless Remote Access VPN with 14% weightage. Let's start with the first domain, AnyConnect Remote Access VPN. This domain focuses on deployment, authentication, and posture assessment for AnyConnect VPN clients on Cisco ASA and iOS platforms. You'll learn how to deploy AnyConnect on Cisco ASA and iOS gateways, configure authentication and authorization mechanisms, implement external AAA integration for VPN users, and manage AnyConnect profiles and XML configuration files. In the AnyConnect Remote Access VPN domain, you'll also learn how to implement AnyConnect posture and compliance modules, configure client-side and server-side certificates, and troubleshoot AnyConnect connectivity and session establishment. Additionally, you will be required to implement dynamic access policies or DAP for granular control and configure SXP and TrustSec integration with AnyConnect. Moving on to the second domain, Site-to-Site VPN solutions on Cisco iOS and Cisco ASA. This domain focuses on the implementation and troubleshooting of secure site-to-site communication using ICAV1, ICAV2, DMVPN, and GET-VPN. You'll learn how to implement ICAV1 and ICAV2 protocols on Cisco platforms, configure site-to-site VPNs on Cisco ASA firewalls and Cisco iOS routers, and deploy Dynamic Multipoint VPN or DMVPN Phase 1, 2, and 3. In the Site-to-Site VPN solutions domain, you'll also learn how to implement Group Encrypted Transport VPN or GET-VPN, configure Flex VPN on Cisco iOS routers using ICAV2, and use Virtual Tunnel Interfaces or VTI for IPsec configurations. Additionally, you will be required to troubleshoot site-to-site IPsec tunnel negotiation and data plane. Next up is the Endpoint Security and Hardware and Software domain. This domain focuses on security infrastructure hardening, PKI implementation, and management tool utilization. You'll learn how to analyze Cisco ASA and iOS security architectures, configure secure management access for security appliances, implement public key infrastructure or PKI and digital certificates, and manage Cisco ASA and iOS software images and licenses.